Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening and funding a brokerage account, then find the Apple ticker and act. Once funded, choose between a market order for speed or a limit order to control price. Use limit if you want a specific entry. Buy a small test position, 1 to 3% of your portfolio, to confirm execution and platform behavior. Make sure to set realistic order sizes and review fees. This first trade gets you live exposure and teaches order placement without risking too much capital. Once your shares are live, monitor them actively but without overtrading. Set price alerts and calendar reminders for earnings and ex-dividend dates so you don't miss catalysts. Make use of stop orders or trailing stops to protect gains and limit downside, and place limit sells when a target price is hit. Meanwhile, balance fundamentals, revenue, EPS, and P/E with technical levels like support and resistance. This combination explains why you act when conditions change and helps you manage risk. To finish, define clear exit rules. Sell at a target price after a set time or when your allocation exceeds a rebalance threshold. Make profit-taking and rebalancing part of your routine and record each trade for taxes, save dividend records, and form 1099s. If you need to liquidate quickly, use market orders but be mindful of slippage. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by verifying available funds, checking order type and duration, and confirming your connection and broker alerts so you can resolve failed trades fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.